everyone. Today we'll start with a poem that is A Voyage. So let's begin. It's chapter 9, A Voyage. Read and enjoy this interesting poem about your four friends who set on a voyage. Voyage is a journey by sea. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat. तो ये four animals थे, horse, tiger, ape and goat. Decided one morning to hire a boat. उन्होंने decide करा कि वो एक boat hire करेंगे for to leave their own country and find a new one. अपनी country छोड़ के वो दूसरी country में जाने की सोच रहे थे. Very much in the manner Columbus had done. तो कहाँ पे जाने सोचा? Columbus. The boat went a sailing away and away. A boat was sailing away, दूर चल रही थी आराम से. It sailed and they sailed for a night and day. दिन और रात हो गए वो, they were keep on sailing. When all of a sudden there blew a great gale. फिर suddenly क्या हुआ? That was a बहुत तेज हवाएं चलने लगी. The horse was a tremble. The tiger grew pale. अब horse को लगने लगा डर, वो लड़खड़ाने लगा और tiger का भी पीला पड़ गया. Ape and the goat nearly fainted together. वो दोनों बिल्कुल faint होने लगे थे. But the boat went sailing in spite of bad weather. इतना bad weather होने के बाद भी उनकी boat जो थी वो अच्छे से sail कर रही थी. A sailing it goes. वो चलती जा रही थी to a wonderful country which nobody knows. जो country जिसके बारे में वो नहीं जानते थे. Horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat. ये चारों animals they were certainly sorry. The chartered the boat. तो वो बहुत ही sorry कर रहे थे. They were certainly sorry for company को जो उन्होंने pay किया था for the boat. उसके लिए now they were feeling very sorry. Let's do the word basket. Hire, to pay money to borrow something for a short time. Gale, a very strong wind. Chartered, paid a company for the use of a boat. Let's do the exercise, understanding the text. Pronounce correctly. Decided, manner, sailing, sudden, fainted, wonderful, certainly, chartered. Let's take the correct option. The animals dashed the boat. Animals hired the boat. Suddenly, there was a gale. क्या चलने लगी? तेज हवाएं. The ape and the dash nearly fainted together. Ape and the goat जो थे वो faint होने लगे थे. Tiger grew. Tiger जो था it was grew pale. Now write the missing lines of the poem. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat decided one morning to hire a boat. When all of a sudden there blew a great gale. The horse was a tremble. The tiger grew pale. I hope you all have understood this poem and you must have liked it also. Go through it again, learn it, revise it. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.